Good day, everyone. Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick SOL update because I had shared some SOL analysis in the public Telegram several days ago, and we are following it quite closely, and we've deviated from it a bit. So I'll just give an update on my thoughts. So I shared this, back maybe a week ago nearly, and basically this is a screenshot, but basically looking for this 786 down here, and we did get this move down. So the line drew look like this. It bounced off this golden pocket for a nice move, retracement, and then ultimately lower. Now, I did short this, got a TP1, and got stopped out at entry. And then my next level I was interested in shorting was here. So I'll just show that quickly. Look, this is just a member saying looking for this next because I just said my SOL's trade stopped out for a break-even position. Really more interested in this for a short at the moment, focused on a possible Bitcoin short primarily. At that time, I was focused on a Bitcoin short. That was yesterday. And so as we pushed up to this level, I took a short. So I'll show you kind of the cleaner analysis here and kind of what I'm looking for over the next several days, hopefully. But yeah, so the local analysis here is it's the 786 from, let me just delete these really quick. I'm actually going to leave some of this analysis on because I kind of want it for later. But it's the 786 from this high to this low, so that's always going to be an important level. You have the golden pocket, we got an initial rejection, wick through it, and then push up to the 786. It also is potentially creating a swing failure here. So 786 both here to here, and then we have this nice local ascending channel. Let me clear off some of these. So that's just, it's a parallel channel, but we don't have a touch on the lows yet. You can see the highs getting perfect touches, a perfect intersection with the 786. So I actually shorted that right on the touch. We wicked up into this level. I shorted it right there. But then you can see we had this initial rejection. And because price action is fractal, that means it's kind of creating similar patterns on all time frames. You can see we actually got a 786 retracement after our initial rejection. So we have the rejection and then a 78.6% retracement back up to retest the highs, another rejection. Ultimately, local analysis, local take profits, you just need to watch this ascending channel. You have some local fibs. Let me go here. Here's 382, super important right here. So, if we intersect with the bottom of the channel and this is going to be major support, middle of the channel. These are all important, probably local take profits. But I am still liking the idea. Sorry for all the fibs on here, by the way. I should clean some of these off for you guys because I know not all of you are used to seeing those on your charts. If we can start breaking down and showing some weakness, losing these lows, I still would very much like to sweep this low into the 786. So that's still a target for a nice potential long setup on a higher time frame. This is another short that I took. Took this short, stopped out for break even. Maybe I'll get a little better luck here. The only caveat I'm going to add to this is that Bitcoin to me looks quite bullish. I have my long from here on Bitcoin, which I long this ascending channel idea. And we're claiming a lot of important resistance. We're claiming there's 2 point of controls depending on where you pull it from. So we rejected from the first. Now we claimed it. We've back tested this bigger point of control. Impulsed off of it. We had a little rejection from the golden pocket, but that bounced off the point of control, sent us back up through it. And even if we start seeing some minor rejections here, if we can hold the middle of this ascending channel, I think it's reasonable just to maybe expect higher into the top of this channel. And if that's the case, then I don't expect shorts to do so well. So that's why I'm happy to take profits. Short key levels where I'm likely to get a rejection, a nice take profit, and then move on. Same with ETH, right? I'd shared when we were pushing up that, hey, I think it's likely when we break the highs of this range that we get a big short squeeze. And what happened at the time was we actually just wicked through the highs and rejected, and I shorted that because that's a technical setup. And we didn't get what I thought was going to happen, which was the big short squeeze, and we had a 7% rejection. So that's a nice short position. But then as we come back up to the highs, what I thought was initially going to happen is what happened. And that's not a swing failure, right? Where price doesn't move up and then back below, it just breaks through this with a big short squeeze. Because I knew there was a lot of liquidity up here, which I'd shared on Twitter down here. And so I was actually surprised to see this rejection, but even though I was surprised, I still traded it, and got a nice take profit, stop loss to entry. And then we ended up getting this big liquidity grab. This could be a breakout too. So, I'm actually just trading short Sol because it's a little cleaner. I'm also happy to have some longs on Phantom. And I'm bullish medium time frame here. We're claiming the point of control potentially here. So we'll see. I have longs, I have shorts. The shorts are in profit, not great profit, but a little bit, and maybe they'll be in better. And longs are obviously deep in profit. I've gotten some nice trades. I haven't taken a loser in a while, so I've had some small winners, some bigger winners, but just trading these key levels, taking profit, getting nice entries, and letting price action play out. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later.